Thank you so much for watching this video, and please make sure to subscribe our channel. GCD formula. This function calculates the largest number which can be used to divide all the values specified. The result is always a whole number where there is no common divisor. The value of 1 is used. Decimal fraction are ignored. Formula details, you just need to mention GCD, number 1, number 2 through number 29. Formatting required or not, no special formatting is needed. We have a separate video in which we already explained GCD with near about 20 or 25 examples. So please check that video if it's difficult to understand how GCD formula works. Next formula is GESTEP. Very unique but very interesting formula. This function tests a number to see if it is greater than or equal to another number. If the number is greater than or equal, the result of 1 will be shown. Otherwise 0 is shown. Formula details, very simple. GESTEP, NumberToTestAgainst, and there is no formatting required for using this formula. We have a separate video for this as well, so you please check that video in which we explain GESTEP with multiple examples. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it, and please make sure to subscribe this channel and comments if you want to. Thank you.